Eco-friendly destinations in Malaysia. Malaysia offers eco-adventures galore, from lush rainforests to pristine beaches. Discover the natural wonders that await you. Taman Negara National Park. Taman Negara is one of the oldest rainforests teeming with wildlife. Explore its canopy walkways and river cruises. Cameron Highlands. The Cameron Highlands are known for their cool climate and sustainable farming. Enjoy organic tea plantations and lush landscapes. Langkawi Geopark. Langkawi's Geopark is a UNESCO site offering eco-tours and geological wonders. Learn about the unique rock formations here. Coral reefs of Pulau Redang. Pulau Redang boasts vibrant coral reefs for snorkeling and diving. Dive into crystal clear waters and protect marine life. Rainforest canopy walks. Langkawi Geopark. Get up close to diverse flora and fauna. Sustainable island resorts. Many Malaysian islands offer eco-friendly resorts with solar power and recycling. Relax while minimizing your carbon footprint. Turtle conservation in Terengganu. Terengganu is a hotspot for turtle nesting sites. Support turtle conservation and witness hatchings. River cruises in Sarawak. Sarawak's river cruises take you through lush mangroves and wildlife habitat. Spot proboscis, monkeys. Try Malaysian dishes made from sustainable local ingredients. Savor flavors while supporting responsible farming. Eco-friendly transportation. Malaysia promotes eco-friendly transport options like electric buses. Reduce your carbon footprint while exploring volunteering opportunities. Join conservation projects to contribute to wildlife and environmental preservation.